Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one tool for work and play. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's cloud-based, so you can access your files from anywhere. Collaborate in real time with friends or coworkers. Plus, OneDrive lets you easily store and share files. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Microsoft 365.com. All you have to do right now is just open your browser. Here we have it, or you can just search here to find a browser, or you can just dive into here also this one, and then you have to type it here, Microsoft365.com. You don't find one page. I don't have it here because I already signed up, that's why. So I will show you how you can sign up. You have just to click over sign in, the button of sign in. You'll find it, of course, it's clear, and then you have just to click over create one. Once you this page appearing, then you'll find a page which is this one. You have just to add here the email address, and then you click over next. Then you'll find other page which is this one, after of course adding your password. All right, so here we have it right now. So let's know what is Microsoft. Firstly, Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based platform with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents from anywhere. Everything synthetics across devices, so you are always up to date. It's perfect for work, school, or personal projects as well. Right? So let's just discover right now this platform. Firstly, in the top left, we will find here this buttons of application launcher, as you can see. Once you click over it, you will find here various applications such as Outlook, OneDrive, Clipchamp. We have Designer, Forms, OneNote, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Calendar, To-Do. Then we have Teams, Skype, and more applications. Alright, so let's just right now go and click over create to discover one by one. For example, we have the first one, which is Word. Once you click over here, you will find another page, which is this one. It's for document and Word as well. So here we have it right now, and you have just right now to add here a text by clicking over here, or you can choose here other templates. You'll find it here. If you don't want to start from scratch and you want here, for example, resume letter, and also you'll find here cover letter, general, to-do list, report. You have note taken, journal, invoice, article. Then you have give feedback to Microsoft, and that's it for this one right now. Then we have also here, if we want to modify the size, and if we want to here change the color of the text, and also if you want to here change the format. If you want, for example, title, heading 2, header 1, no spacing, subtitle. We have here also strong code, book title, and other things. All right, so we have also here bullet, we have numbering, if one also degrees ended, and then we have text alignment and other options, for example, about the form. If is it up to apply, you can just here start with the one you want. Once you're done, you have just to click over here and share in the top right, and then you have to share your template or your document, as you can see. So that's it for Word. Right now let's discover in PowerPoint, right? So we have PowerPoint, how it looks, and for example, about each one we have here Word, and above we have here specifics. Until we have PowerPoint for presentation, Excel for workbook, Forms for form, and other things. All right, so let's just discover right now PowerPoint by clicking over here and a title, and adding also a subtitle. And also we have the other things in the right. For example, about designer, you have just to select the one you want, and you getting started with the one you think it's better for you. Or you can just start from scratch like Word. And also here we have in the left if you want to add page, and we have also other options that could help you, such as file, home, insert, draw. If you want to also hit design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view, help, and shape as well. All right, so let's just right now also here click over share to getting started with, or to share your template, sorry. So that's it for PowerPoint right now. Let's just discover another one, which is Excel, and it's for workbook. So about this one, you'll find other page, which is this one, and let's get in started. We have here various things, right? For example, this one is just for example, if we want to hear business, and if we want to hear if you need a schedule, by the way, for example, because you have to here select the size for each columns, and also select your files, and also, for example, about the first one, I will add name here, and I will add all these names, and then I will add here, for example, marks, and they will add my marks here. Then I will add here, for example, password, and they will add password here. So for example, for teachers, I add as an example, and they will write your name, and I write the name of students. They will add here the mark, and they will add me marks. Then they will add also the last one, which is password, and they will add passwords. For example, I will give you one specific about this one. For example, I will add here 3. Then I will add here 2, for example, and I want, for example, about here results of the sum of this one. So I will just select here these bottoms, and let's appear like that, and I will click over enter, and here we have it. If you want more details about Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, you have just to feel free to ask in the comment section below, and you type which one you want to explore more, and I will do a specific video for each one, if it's Word, or PowerPoint, or Excel, or each one you want on Microsoft. All right. Right now, let's just here click over design, for example, and let's discover in this platform which is design. So as you can see, Microsoft provide various things such as if you want Word, Excel, and also other things. So about this one, if you want to upload firstly the from media or from your computer, or you can add also here text if you want, and also we have here visuals and the templates as well. You have just to select the template that you want. Also you search for the template that you think it's better for you, and also we have your print kit. If you want a new design, you click over here. If you want to download, you click over here, and also we have here other things that could help you guys. So that's it for Microsoft Designer. It's just like Canva, I think, but you can just use the one you want, I think. So then we have also here for videos. So click tab, we have here video. Once you click over it, you'll find here other page, which is this one. You have free video. You have just to get started. You can use here to sign in using your account or continue with Microsoft. Let's just click over continue with Microsoft, and you'll find here this page, as you can see. So let's wait for, and here we have the or the platform or video creating. So we have here various things. If you want to import media, if you want to also here record and create content library, templates, text, transitions, and we have also here captions, audio, vehicle, and you start recording, as you can see. So that's why Microsoft is better, because it provides various things in one platform. So with Microsoft 365, stay organized and collaborating has never been easier. Whether you are working on a project, sharing ideas, or just staying connected, it's the all-in-one solution to help you get things done anytime and anywhere. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.